So welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I want to talk to you about AI-enabled machine vision, and in particular machine vision control. And the example I want to use is a typical automotive scenario where we have to tighten on safety critical bolts on a vehicle, and the sequence in which we tighten those bolts is really critical. How we control that is we have two cameras above the station that have got machine learning models that can pick up where the position of the bolting tool is, and I'd like to demonstrate that for you now. So I can select the right socket, and as you can see on the screen, it's telling me to tighten the rear bolt. As I move into position, the light goes solid blue and I can tighten the bolt. Now it's telling me to tighten the next bolt, and I can move into position and tighten that bolt. And you can see if I'm out of position, the tool is disabled. When I move into position, the tool is enabled. And now I'm going to continue tightening all of the bolts. And as you can see, what we've clearly demonstrated is the ability to use advanced technologies like machine learning and AI and vision control systems to really enable the operator to perform these complex tasks in a secure manner. And for us, this is the most important goal within GenderMark, is to use these enabling technologies to make the fourth industrial revolution more human. Here's another Machine Monday.